In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Crypto.com to your bank account in the UK. This is a step-by-step walkthrough to make sure you can safely move your funds from your Crypto.com account to your personal bank account without any confusion or mistakes. First, open the Crypto.com app on your phone and navigate to the Accounts section at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see your fiat wallet, which is where all your cash balances are held. The fiat wallet shows your total available balance, and this is the amount that you can withdraw. Understanding this balance is important because you can only withdraw what is already available in your fiat wallet. If your funds are still in cryptocurrencies, you'll need to convert them into cash before you can transfer them. Go to your crypto wallet, where all your cryptocurrency holdings are listed. Look through the list and select the crypto that you want to sell. For example, if you have £161 in Cosmos and want to transfer this amount to your bank, you need to sell it first. Tap Sell and make sure to choose the option to sell it to cash, not to another crypto. Once you select Sell to Cash, the app will show you the available wallets for your region. Since you are in the UK, choose the GBP wallet as your destination. Enter the exact amount of crypto you want to sell and confirm the sale. This action will move your funds into your fiat wallet, effectively converting your cryptocurrency into cash. After your crypto has been sold, open the fiat wallet section. You'll see three main options: buy crypto, sell crypto, or transfer. Since your goal is to move cash to your bank account, choose the transfer option and then tap withdraw. Make sure the currency is set to British pounds to match your local bank account. If you've withdrawn money from Crypto.com before, your bank account may already be linked to your Crypto.com account, making the process straightforward. You can simply select Withdraw, enter the amount you want to send, and confirm the transaction. However, if this is your first time withdrawing funds, you will need to link your bank account. The app provides clear instructions on this. To link your bank account, Crypto.com will ask you to deposit a small amount in GBP via the FPS network. This is a one-time verification step that confirms that the bank account belongs to you. Once this deposit is made, your bank account is officially linked to your Crypto.com account, and you can perform future withdrawals without repeating this step. Once your bank account is linked, you can proceed with the withdrawal. Be aware that each withdrawal incurs a small processing fee, currently £1.90, which is automatically deducted from the total amount you are sending. Enter the amount you want to withdraw in GBP, keeping in mind your maximum withdrawal limit. For example, if your maximum withdrawal is £7,377, the app will show the processing fee and the net amount that will appear in your bank account. After reviewing these details, tap Withdrawal to start the process. Your money will usually arrive in your bank account within a few business days, depending on your bank's processing times. It's very important to double-check all bank details before confirming the withdrawal, to avoid any mistakes. If you encounter any issues, Crypto.com provides a support section in the app, or you can reach out to your bank for additional guidance. By following this step-by-step process, you can confidently transfer money from your Crypto.com account to your UK bank account, ensuring your funds arrive safely and efficiently every time.